Hello everyone, I'm Marshall. Tonight I'm gonna sleep camp in a park, and this building is a public restroom, and at the back here have some place that I can come here tonight. It's better than outside because at night the temperature will be cold, will be low, and if I come outside, the next morning the outer layer of my camp will be full of the water, full of the ice. If maybe the ice, if the temperature is low enough, so it's better to find a shelter, to find a building that can below it. And here is good. It's quiet at night, and around this small park, those buildings are new, and just a few people, few family live inside. You can see the lights of the building, not full of it. Just a few window have the light, and here I think is east side, the east, the north. It's just a farmland, and here is a parking area, and the electric charge, and nobody use it. The parking place is empty, so at night there's no people, and it's quiet. It's good for sleep. And at China, one of things I'm so proud of is that China at night is quite safe. No gangster, no, you don't need to worry somebody rob you. You don't need to worry about the gangster, the thief, like that. I think one of the reasons is that the Chinese in the Chinese street, is so many the camera, the traffic camera, the camera for police, for the public safe. So if you do some crime, we can easily find you through the camera. Yeah, the CCTV. Guys, that is a place I sleep this night. I stayed this night. So I don't want to put the cam on because it's for me. I think it's a little bit, put it on and then put it back the cam. It's a little bit. I mean, I don't want to do that. It's a little bit busy for me. And yeah, here tonight, just stay here. I just feel like homeless. And last night I washed my clothes at the public restroom. And it's still wet after the night. Is still wet, and I will collect it, and then I will find a place to eat the breakfast, and then I will go to my destination is Lijiang City. It's a tourist city, and on the way I will find a place to dry my clothes. It's 7:30 now. It's daylight now. See outside. Well, I'm going. I just have poo, and today I have two things to do. First, for now, I need to find a place to have my breakfast, and then wait till the noon, the temperature high, dry my clothes, find a place, spend like 2 hours to dry my clothes. The temperature of now is about 7 degrees, like that. The early bird, they are running exercise. The sweeper, they already have walked. It's spring now, you can see both sides of the street. I think it's the flower, I don't know the name of the tree. How to speak in English? It's very famous in Japan. I have been to Vietnam, and there on the street it's full of the motorbike. It's crazy, and at the whole night, on the street full of the motorbike, and the air polluted too much on the street. You can smell the oil, the gasoline. It's not good. And in China, we don't drive the motorbike, and auxiliary, we drive the electric bike, and we also have so many electric cars. Okay, seems I have ridden the wrong way. Yeah, G353. There's a place to go to the Lijiang City. I need the right. And I need to find a place to eat my breakfast. Oh, here's a place called the Brekkie. Yeah.
What's that?
I just order this one, chicken noodle, big bowl, for 10 Chinese yuan. It's about like $1.2. $1 for breakfast. And no spicy. I told him, and let's wait. So at the restaurant, I can charge my phone for free if I eat here. And for time. And after when I'm leaving, I put on my charger and put on my phone. It's for $1. Chicken. Why it looks black? Because the skin is black. In China we call it black chicken. It's okay. I don't know whether it's a big ball, but it looks so small. Let me ask the boss. 老板，这是小碗还是大碗啊？面条。我的面条是小碗还是大碗？大碗。大碗的。哦。It's a big bowl, not a small, but noodle not too much. Well, it's okay. For $1. I'll finish. Take my charger. Scan the codes. Scan the codes and pay. $10 RMB. And then I'll put in my passport. Passports. Oh, it's done now. Okay. The sun has rise. Well, temperature will soon be higher in the morning. Going. For now, the temperature is still low, like I don't know, like 10 degrees. So I drive slowly. Speed is 30 kilometers per hour. And anyway, and it's good. I don't mind it, it's slow. Safe first. Looks well. Look at the landscape. It's fucking beautiful. My heart feels free. Yeah. Can you see it? A waterfall just beside the road. Wow. Ah, a worm fly to my eyes, into my eyes. Oh. Oh fuck. Still on my eyeball. What the fuck? I need my eye fluid out. Oh fuck. It's in the corner now. In the corner. Oh, it's better now. Ugh. I need some water to fluid it out. I need some water. Drink water. No. Is it out now? Yeah, it's out. It's out. Wow. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh shit. It's warm. I need to have a rest. I just park my motorbike beside the main road. Is there a branch? I need to let the sunshine warm my body because after like 20-kilometer ride in the shadow of a mountain, I feel cold. My body feel cold. So let sunshine warm my body. Here, some fruit. What is this? Seems like tangerine. Tangerine. Here's the iron wire. See, I'm not a Swift. I just want to say that. So beautiful. It's not orange, it's tangerine. 我录点视频啊。The owner is there and he He comes here. He asking me, "What are you doing?" So I say, I'm a tourist." I think this place is good. So many branches and the iron. It's okay. It's not too much. It does not have too much dust. My here drive a while. I'm going to leave. Clothes is still wet. Not enough dry, but I will find another place to have some trees to let me have a nap. I have the swing bed, the nest bed, and here don't much have the trees have the shallow. I will shift to another place. 差不多了吧？有一斤了吧？
1斤1两。
OK。
够吗？
够。3块5。OK。So 5. And the brand just have said that this road, this course is very dangerous, and in the recent years about 23 people have died. So many vehicles drive through into the river. So the drivers need to be very careful. See that valley? It's a V shape, deep V shape. Let me sing a song. It's a song of the military. I lay my hoe, join the army. I lay my hoe, join the army. The day I left, my mama cried. She saw that I would surely die. I let my wife stand near the door. She knew that I would die at war. I let my soul lay in the air, sing that it made him cry so hard. I let my day He shook my hands. He said that I have become a man. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee. Join the army. Wow, it's so green. The water color so green. And this river is called Gold Sand River. It's the upcourse of Yangtze River. You should know the Yangtze River. The most famous city of the Yangtze River is Shanghai. Shanghai is a Yangtze River where it flew to the ocean. And at the different course, the Yangtze River have different names. So for the up course here, it's called Jinshajiang, Gold Sand River. It means, I don't know, maybe before, maybe 100 years ago, the gold worker they come here and collect gold from the sands. For now, the color is so green, so beautiful. Where is it? Above the rice and some. This is pig meat and the rice you can eat. If the rice is not enough, you can eat more for free. It costs like about $2. $2 for lunch. And the meat is not enough for dietary nutrition, but you got what you pay. It's just $2. This is the road easy and last year before the Christmas I come to Vietnam and I met an English girl and we together we go to the restaurant to eat and there is a dish soup and I just take the bowl directly drink it not use screw and she said me you are so rude but for now I think that the culture is different. When you in Roman, do as Romans. And this action is okay in China and in Vietnam. I'm going find a place to sleep. Better to find a forest. There's a little square and shadow. I think I can stay here for nap. And this is the restroom. Oh, it's good. It's already 4:30 p.m. Let's go. And this is Lijiang City. On the left is the old town of Lijiang. I will not stay here and I will ride through city to the snow mountain. I need to ride out of the city because I want to find a place to sleep for free. In the city is very busy. The price of the land is higher than outside of the city. Dinner is dumplings. And I think tonight I'm gonna camp here. Camping here is good. Few people, so quiet.